MTV. MTV.
MTV.
MTV. MTV. MTV. MTV.
MTV.
Starts now.
It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say, is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls. 'Cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. Fill our house with happiness, but we'll smother the blues with tenderness. It's the bigger love of the family.
Good morning, Marauders. Today is Tuesday, January 22nd, 2019. I'm Sienna.
And I'm Vanessa, and welcome to our first episode in 2019.
It feels great to be back. Hey, Vanessa, are you excited to finally be back at school?
I guess. I did miss a lot of my friends and, of course, MTV. Let's see how our Marauders feel to be back at school.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Follow me.
Miss being at school? I sure do. I miss every single one of your beautiful faces. Well, some of you. But hey, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret on why I miss school. Come on. The first reason why I love being back at school is staying up late to finish all of my homework. The second reason is I love waking up early and going to school every single day for 8 hours. I also love when teachers pile up projects on me and give me tests that we didn't go over. As you can tell, I'm very happy to be at school. I hope you guys are just as happy as I am. Have a great day. Bye.
Wow, I'm getting pumped for this semester now. Wait, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do homework. Can you help me?
Why don't you just go to tutoring after school?
That doesn't seem like a bad idea. When is it?
Well, let's watch this next video to find about Monache's tutoring.
I definitely plan on going now. Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm just trying to be more kind this year.
Speaking of kindness, let's check out this video about spreading kindness.
So today we're going to be giving out flowers to people, and we're going to be getting the reactions, so let's see how it goes. Can you give me a flower?
Can you give me a flower?
Yeah,
oh,
we're getting flowers today.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll give you a flower. Oh my God, this is like a big flower.
Oh no,
Feels pretty good being kind to others, if I'm being honest. Anyways, let's cut to the weather with Taylon Hall.
Good morning, Marauders. I'm Taylon Hall, and welcome to this week's weather forecast. This week's weather starts off slightly cloudy, but later turns sunny for the rest of the week. Have a good one.
Thanks, Taylon. Hey, Sienna, since it's a new year, being nicer could be your New Year's resolution, and I'm pretty sure you'll manage to not break it.
That's a good idea. Do you have any resolutions this year?
Yeah, mine is to finish my homework on time, but I'm pretty sure I'll break it sooner or later.
Speaking of breaking resolutions, let's watch this next video about resolutions no one really wants to commit to.
So have you thought of any resolutions this year?
Yeah, I have a few.
How are you doing on them?
Alright, new year, new me. Time to get in shape. Now let's start with some workout videos.
A few moments later.
Woo! That was a workout. Woo! Awesome! My paycheck finally came in. Great, now I have double the amount. Didn't want to do this. I gotta get my homework done. I think they're doing good. What about you? Do you have any resolutions?
Not really.
Oh, alright, well. See you later.
Alright, see ya.
I really hope I don't break mine this year. Well, as always, don't forget to follow us on social media at Monache TV on Instagram and Twitter.
Thank you for tuning in to this week's MTV.
Have an awesome new year, Marauders. I'm Sienna.
And I'm Vanessa.
And we're signing off.
She got the lemon, she got the lemonade. She got the lemon, she got the lemon, she got the lemonade. She got the lemon, she got the lemon, she got the lemonade.
CSF is now accepting applications for the spring semester. To join the club, you must turn in your application along with 12 cans and a copy of your transcripts. CSF is also accepting permission slips for the upcoming Southern California college trip on February 14th and 15th. The cost for the field trip is $120. Applications and permission slips are due January 29th.
Monache Television is on cable TV. Watch us on CMAC 2 Education Channel, Mondays at 8:30 p.m. and Fridays at 11:30 p.m. This channel can be found on Apple TV and Roku.
This week, girls varsity basketball beat Tulare Western 73-31.
Nothing will stop me from loving you, cause you already know you are my boo. Just hit my line when you coming through. Baby girl, you make me comfortable. Sometimes my life can be rough, but